And Falcon 1, just want to verify you're still operational, is that correct?
Stand by for Falcon 1. Man, what's your definition of operational? We are looking for a felony vehicle. We haven't located it yet.
Falcon 1, roger, thank you.
Does that mean operational for you, ma'am?
Sounds operational to me. Just stand by. We just have to get it approved to have you stay there. So you're good for now.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. New pilot here. Thank you.
No worries. And Falcon 1, they've asked that you leave the area. So you're going to have to fly northbound and remain about 5 to 6 miles north of where you're at right now until the priority movement is over.
Falcon 1, I copy. Is there any time for me to just go land at South Capitol?
Yeah, that's fine. You can proceed back to South Cap now and land there.
Falcon 1, copy. Thank you, ma'am. Falcon 1, you can hold me direct to South Capitol.
Yes, please. Thank you, Falcon 1.
Washington Tower, Marine 1 in flight with you, proceeding to brief.
Marine 1, Washington Tower, Washington, altimeter 29090, proceed as brief.
29090, Marine 1.
Tower, Nighthawk 3, Zone 2, RFK, in Akasha.
Nighthawk 3, roger, and are we landing assured? Marine 1, are you landing assured?
Marine 1 is landing assured.
Marine 1, thank you. Wind at Washington 190 8, radar services terminated, frequency change approved. And MedStar 2, you can now proceed to South Cap if you still want to. The wind at Washington 190 8, altimeter 29089.
Washington Tower, Nighthawk 1 off to South 1, request Route 1 in Anacostia.
Nighthawk 1, Route 1 to Anacostia is approved.
Washington Tower, Marine 2, proceeding as brief.
Marine 2, Washington Tower, good evening. Altimeter 29088, proceed as brief.
2988, Marine 2.